Hey guys, welcome back to the show. I'm excited about this one. I get this question all the time. Man, I bought a new pro reel, but I just can't get used to that lever. You know, I shot for years with that button, but when it comes to that lever, it's just all the time. I go to fight a fish, I forget, oh man, I got to flip the lever over. Well, we got the conversion for you. If you have bought a Muzzy XD Pro 1069, but you would prefer to switch it back over to the button, this video is for you. If you don't like this, then maybe you want to go to this. All you need is one of these, which is our rear cap assembly, XD32A, as well as two bushing adapters.
So first we're going to take our screw out of our rear cap, okay, and then we need to turn it to the left or counterclockwise just about a 1/4 inch so it can remove our main cap. Now it can be kind of difficult to get this off, but this one comes off pretty easily. As you can see, our lever is, it has its own assembly, kind of a girdle assembly. But basically it's just another way to use the bushing retainers to hold this lever. All we're going to do for this conversion is remove these 4 screws, and the entire lever assembly will come out in one piece. It is important to note, if you're going to use power tools, make sure to use caution, because metal screws, plastic body, you don't want to strip those holes out. So all comes out in one little piece. It is important to note that if you're never going to use this lever assembly again, you can actually cut off the bottom pieces of both portions, and actually they're stronger than the original bushing retainers. But for this build, we're going to use the originals in this reel and use the same 4 screws that held down our lever assembly. I tell you what, let's go ahead and put our fast forward into motion so we can put these 4 screws back in without wasting a lot of time. Okay, and last but not least, we're going to take our brand new back button, push it down to position, and then it needs to snap back into place. And I always have trouble with this, so I like to cheat. Grab a little adjustable wrench here and grab the button, and it'll pop right in position. And don't forget to put the little Phillips screw right back in the back to hold it in position.
Well, there you have it, guys. Converting a lever action Pro Series reel into a push button Muzzy XD 1079. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Smash that like button. Go ahead and share this video with somebody who needs it. And we'll see you out on the water.